Hello guys, panoorin natin ang highlights ng laban ng South Sudan at USA.
Exhibition contest for the United States as they take the floor tonight against a team that will be making its Olympic debut next week in South Sudan.
Steve Kerr, Coach Steve Kerr. Starting lineup, Stephen Curry.
Slow quarter and a half start against Serbia. The United States blew out the Serbians to start 3-0 in this exhibition run. They'll take on the reigning FIBA
Adebayo, Anthony Davis.
on Monday. Adam Amin, Bill Raftery with you, and against Serbia, Steph Curry, who gets sent for his Olympic.
Nasa US ang bola. Si Lolo Bron, pinasa kay Lolo Bron. Lolo Bron, dinang. Lolo Bron. Wala pa rin ko pa si Lolo Bron. Nasa Sudan ng bola. Dribble. Tinira, pull up. No good. Pass break. Pasok.
Versatility of this United States lineup. Anybody can start a break. Anybody can end it. LeBron misfires. And Beat keeps it alive.
Lolo Bron.
It is Halle gliding in with the left hand. How about the give to offensive rebound? Generally, they don't win three.
Lili up ng company Lolo Bron. Pasok.
There is Embiid against a smaller Gabriel. A double comes from Oman. James cuts. James flips on target. Tipped alive.
Acrobatic shot ah.
And knocked out from underneath the rim. It's basket interference and a point for the United States.
No good. Nas bola ng South Sudan. South Sudan nagdi-dribble ang point guard, nagdi-dribble, pinasa, pull up, pasok. Pasok yan. Bola ng US. Tinira. Pass break. Dinang na naman ni Lolo Bron. Walang kupas. Walang kupas si Lolo Bron. Score po natin. Dalawa pa lang sa South Sudan. 10 points ng US. Stephen, sablay. Bola ng US. Si Booker pala to. Si Embiid, top in by Embiid. Bola ng South Sudan. Nagdi-dribble, tinera, 3 points. Pasok yan. Acrobatic na naman si Embiid.
Gabriel being undersized, he has the tough task of playing the 5 right now. He draws the foul.
Little knee problem in the playoffs.
Nasa free throw line si Embiid niya. Unang tira, pasok yan. Pangalawang tira, sablay, rebound. South Sudan, dribble, tinira, 3 points uli, walang sablay. Score po natin, South Sudan 8, US 13. Tumbang bantay ah. Finishing foul.
Played for Sacramento, Portland, New Orleans, Brooklyn, the Clippers, most notably the Lakers, and then a cup of coffee with the Grizzlies.
Foul pa lang kalaban.
On the other end as he picks up this charge, good footwork. He can spread a little bit. Use him in some
Players that were refugees, had to battle through multiple countries, incredible journeys.
Bola ng South Sudan.
Young children as
Ni-screenan.
babies. Many of these
Oh,
players
dribble. Di alam ang gagawin. Tinirahan si Embiid. Pasok yan.
some sad stories and what these guys been able to do.
Bola ng US.
Well, Dang, for example, sacrificing, contributing. How about him? Doesn't need much space, does he?
Tinira ni Stephen Curry.
exceptionally well, and he's got 3.
Walang pakundangan. Pasok.
Lifting Joel.
Good positioning by Paul.
Sablay ang Sudan. Rebound. Dinakdakan, no? Ibang klase rin tong South Sudan. Malakas din pala to.
Good side and drawing a foul. He's got a chance to tie the game.
Yeah, Davis.
Oras po natin sa first quarter, 3 minutes and 46 seconds.
Dive to the rim.
First quarter po tayo.
Shaq, you mentioned, nice save and then the cut.
Kanto.
Pretty.
Pero rebound uli oh.
Juke Day.
Tinera. Pasok yan.
Time like many of these players.
Foul pa. Tira free throw.
The other way.
They've done a great job balancing the floor of the USA.
Nagawan.
They don't shut it down.
South Sudan uli ang bola. Tinira. Pasok uli.
Impressive for South Sudan.
Sa US yun.
Have the lead for the first time today, and this is a name you're going to
South Sudan uli. Dinakdakan na naman.
season for the Duke Blue Devils. Improving
Hindi nila maawat ah.
he was hassling the current Charlotte Hornets 4. Davis knocked it away momentarily.
Score po. Lumamang na ang South Sudan. 18-16. Oop, nagawan sila ng US. Dinakdakan ni
All because of the defense.
galit na galit ah.
I've been so impressed. Everybody down on the stands
Si
looking.
Adebayo.
Nice outlet feed from Davis.
Huwag mong sirain yung ring Adebayo.
Assists, 6 of them on their 8 baskets, so a good rate going.
Bola ng South Sudan.
Take with left hand.
Nagdi-dribble. Tinira. Pasok yan.
He can make the three, so you got to tug, get tight on him.
Score po natin. South Sudan 20. 18 pa lang ang US.
This is the former Iowa
Tinira na naman ng South Sudan. Malupit talaga.
Yeah, that's his game, though.
Manager Giannis Antetokounmpo's athleticism. But Anthony Davis and Bam Adebayo being able to essentially double team on the interior.
Free throw ngayon si Davis.
Better. Dribble, drive, and distribute. They're going to get a lot of nice looks.
Pangalawang 3-point, pangalawang free throw. Pasok yan. Ah, nagawa ng South Sudan.
There is the Hornet, JT Thor. And he draws
Ant-Man.
the foul on Bam Adebayo.
For the layup, pasok yan.
Talk about this defense all throughout the Olympic game. Good.
Nagawan sa Edward oh.
Second team selection this year in the NBA. Adebayo's second foul sending out NBA experience.
Nasa free throw line ngayon ng South Sudan.
Seasons played 60 plus games each
Hindi
of
naman
last
natin
year.
mabasa ang mga apelyido nito.
Very deep connection to this country, so I'm very prideful for John.
Rebound, free throw ulit si Edwards.
World Cup and became
Pasok yan.
an immediate factor
Tikpang sumablay.
the alpha on the floor for the United States.
People got to know his name quickly.
Pangalawang tira.
Playoff run for Minnesota, you see his aggressiveness against
Pasok, pasok.
Nice challenge.
Tinatawid ng bola ng South Sudan. Binabangga yung bantay.
Good feel. Big time kiss, too. Jammed up.
Paboard, tira, pasok.
Edwards is looking for an alley. He'll step back for 3, and that will not
Nasa first quarter pa to. 1 seconds. Tinira.
on the putback by
Followed.
South Sudan has the lead for
Wala, wala.
I think it was going in.
Tumatawa si Davis.
Premature of a little step back. And the right call, I think, too, as well. But give a little confidence to the opponents. South Sudan.
Ant-Man.
took about 23 to 26 in the first 2 contests.
They've kept Jones out of the lane.
Sayang, nabutan ng oras.
Touches in the paint.
Second quarter na po tayo. Score po natin. 26 South Sudan, 24 US.
Has a 5-point
Tinira na naman ng South Sudan. Ibang klase ang mga kamay nito ah. Puro 3-pointer.
South Sudan has a 5-point lead on their fifth 3.
You cannot overhelp.
Tinatawid ng US ang bola. Dinidribulan sila ni Boger. Pinasa kay Davis.
Away there.
Oop.
On Wenyen.
Offensive foul. Malamang offensive foul to.
Shaq's so good. Knocking down those threes and getting available.
Offensive foul nga.
Halliburton is on Jones. It's a switch with the big
Bola ng South Sudan. Oop, nagdidribble. Nagdidribbulan si
his first points after he had 3 dimes.
Adebayo ba to?
3 dimes already. One of the top players in the NBA G League. In fact, the top
Ah,
scorer
ibang klase
in the G
talaga ang
League
South
and
Sudan.
MVP a couple of years ago. Edwards, the star.
Nasa US ang bola. Dinidribulan na naman ni sino ba to?
Playing with some confidence. Good ball movement.
Edwards.
Goodness.
Tinira na naman ng South Sudan. Walang sablay.
Tatum going to try to penetrate into the defense, and he draws a foul.
Matupit ang pulso nito. Lumamang na po ang South Sudan. 34.
For the three. Get it
US 26 lang. Naghahabol po ang US.
4 was in there.
May huwag kayong papatalo dyan. Kaya kayo dyan.
Tatum goes to the line. this, the penultimate exhibition showcase game before the United States plays Germany.
Lamang po ng 8. Second quarter po tayo. Free-throw si Tatum. Pasok yan.
Still practicing in Rwanda for a little while. This is a team
Pangalawang
that is not
free-throw,
gonna
pasok.
give anything. Carlik Jones got it to go.
And over Davis as well.
Nili-up na naman ng South Sudan. Pasok na naman.
They are hustling. An
Hindi
extra
hindi matapal ni Davis ah.
Fires and the rebound to the United States and Adebayo.
Well, he was wide open.
Tinira na naman. Wala. Buti na lang sablay.
Competing.
This was a problem.
Booker.
These couple of games for the U.S. The turnovers. A challenge by Adebayo is
Nagawan.
the foul.
They're going to get the attention of the USA right now.
Tinirahan. Foul.
On Adebayo.
Davis. Foul.
Here's JT Thor. Worked himself. That's a fun group. Mark Williams, JT Thor adding some length and size. Obviously they played well with another ball.
Buti sablay.
Rollins with an excellent rebound from the guard spot.
This is when they're talking.
That is cool.
Lolo Bron. Nilabas ang bola.
With a nice
Tinatawid.
blanket down the floor. They push it and take advantage of any of those looks. The dribble, kick, and right now just get them organized. Don't take the three, but the closeout not as effective. Blue by. A lot of confidence getting things done on the offensive end.
Nililiapan lang sila ng South Sudan.
US
Bull Paul and went to as many of these young men did.
Binabaliwala lang nila yung US dito ah, mga South Sudan.
Percentage of South Sudanese that are raised and go to high school in Australia.
Buti sablay.
Carly Jones finding Shayok who had to adjust as he stumbled a little bit.
Oh,
But suddenly it's
nagawa na naman.
for South
Ay
Sudan.
nako, dakdak yan. Ah, hindi.
For South Sudan.
that brings a lot of energy. Jones gets to the rim.
And one for Carly Jones who is feeling himself right now.
He wants to go right, but that time so effective. Going left. Good.
Score po natin.
They are impressive.
42 na po ang South Sudan. 28 pa lang yung US.
Delivery.
Layo na ng lamang.
Great couple of years. Transfers
Second
to
quarter pa lang
Louisville,
tayo.
ACC, and was a dynamite score in the first 14 minutes so far.
Free throw ng South Sudan. Unang free throw, pasok yan.
Huge score, huge assist guy.
Nasa US ang bola. Tatum binabantayan. Pinasa kay Embiid. Embiid, di malaman ang gagawin. Hop, tinira. Pasok yan.
They'll say no foul, they'll let the physical play go, and I think that's where some of the confusion is. Because it feels like it should either be a foul
Hop,
or
foul.
bounce to the United States.
Sino tong foul na to?
Instead,
Si Stephen Curry nagrereklamo pa. Foul na nga. Si Lolo Bron
Are they going to review it?
nagpo-protesta si Lolo Bron.
have a stoppage.
Open looks. Finding people off the bounce.
Ay, tinulak talaga ni Stephen.
Curry was trying
Sabay inaktingan, flap yan ah.
up to the name there. That'll take us to a
Lolo Bron, banata mo na yan. Not counted na naman.
Olympics. They're down 13 though.
Foul. South Sudan.
Watching this game, there should be a bunch of
Lamang po
surprises
ng 13 ang South Sudan.
about this club.
That mismatch inside, Majid Dang will pick up the
Lolo Bron, nagdi-dribble.
to do.
Nagdi-dribble. Ipinasa. Ipinasa. Foul. Pinaul na.
Curry has hit the only one for the U.S. Beat of the U.S. Both teams, in fact, in the bonus for the rest of the period.
Free throw na naman si Embiid.
In the tournament here, the Olympics, is going to have to do with
Pasok yan, unang tira.
because the ability of screen.
Score po natin sa second quarter, 4 minutes and 43 seconds. Remaining time.
Spacing. That's why Davis and Adebayo are such keys on the bench. There is this young touch.
They're talking about him inside with a little jump hook, stepping out, drilling.
South Sudan, tinira na.
Defensively, he
Ginagawang asintahan si Embiid.
man who ends up with the foul as Majid Dang joined on the defense against him.
Babawi si Embiid, oh. Foul. Free throw na naman si Embiid.
You like to say you say sluggish.
Surprised the U.S. the most.
Yeah, alarming, really.
Unang tira.
This time,
Pasok yan.
a go down first and foremost. The ball movement has to be.
Pangalawang tira.
I think the U.S. is still a
Pasok
little
pa lang
bit
sa
in that
play, ah.
filling out process.
I'll tell you the way the impact is that the
Free
closeouts are much
si
longer.
Stephen, ah.
That's part of the ball movement. Steph actually had a pretty good look and a little sidestep gets him to the free throw line. It's the overhelp. Okay.
Score po natin 45-34 in favor of South Sudan.
And the defense on Jones, who finds
Sumablay.
on a nifty feed.
Stephen Curry sablay. Dinidiburan siya ng South Sudan.
Holiday right back to
Ipinasag.
Carlik Jones.
Layup, pasok.
For the South Sudanese team.
Look at the open middle, so you've got to stay at home on a tough shot.
Wow, Shane puts it down while Booker was made.
Bola ng South Sudan.
Well, they are playing confidently.
It's an angry drive.
Tinira, foul, pasok pa.
The message, maybe. As they trying to step
Tumumba lang pala, walang foul.
Booker on defense, running with Holiday.
Lolo Bron. Si Lolo Bron, walang kupas ah. Lolo Bron.
if they're going to get back in it, it's that defensive end.
A little bit of a
Inili up
defensive
ni
surge.
Babe.
You've said this twice
Ito.
already in this half, Bill. It has to start at the defensive end of the ball.
Too talented.
Tapos may natitira pa pang 2 minutes and 30 seconds sa second quarter. Time out.
They'll be looking at this tape.
James, the spin.
Tinira. Pumbaw.
Once he makes his mind up, clear it.
Bola ng US.
James, the spin.
Tinapal pala ni Lolo Bron. Pasok naman.
Makes his mind up, clear it. They're going to take you.
Lolo Bron. Lolo Bron.
I got a chance to see
Tinira. Acrobatic shot.
a full-time available.
Kangkungan.
Leads the way with
Sa kangkungan
9
at
points, 6 assists and 5.
foul naman, foul.
It's a very old adage.
Di nila kaya si Lolo Bron talaga.
He was on the bench as well.
Free throw, Lolo Bron.
This roster today.
Pasok yan, unang tira.
Impressive from Davis.
9 points na si Lolo Bron. Pangalawang free throw. Pasok ulit, 10 points na si Lolo Bron.
4 separating from Davis.
Nasa second quarter pa rin. 1 minute and 3 seconds. Bola ng South Sudan. Tinira, pull up. Pasok yan.
By JT Thor as he ran towards Booker.
I think you're right. Booker.
Ginagawang asintahan itong mga US na to, mga Amerikano ah. Acrobatic shot, wala.
Play with this confidence. Movement.
Huwag ka na magreklamo, Lolo Bron. Foul ka.
Established just some talent we've seen and how exceptionally well they've played for at least a half
Free throw.
thus far, leading by 16.
First attempt, pasok.
Edwards, James,
26 seconds na lang po sa second quarter. 57-42 in favor of South Sudan.
In the air that long. Able to finish on the reverse.
chance at a three-point play and a foul.
Strong move by Lebron.
Sudan on deck.
Kinalabaw.
Probably watch them press at the end to see if they get another one.
Pasok yan.
To the free throw.
Walang kupas talaga si Lolo Bron.
He is strong. Goodness. Lower that shoulder.
Grabing layup talaga.
Leading
Oh.
the charge with a
Free throw pa yan.
They've scored 20 points in this
Tatlong replay pa.
free throw line. Take the spot of Halliburton with this unit.
Free throw po si Lolo Bron. Unang attempt.
Takes the jumper.
Sablay.
Will not go. The tap back by Adebayo into the hands of Davis, and he got it home.
Kept it alive.
Nasa third quarter na po tayo. Ang oras po natin 9 minutes and 40 seconds.
Good defense by Wenyen.
Score po natin 58-46 in favor of South Sudan.
Davis just spread a little bit deep that open alley.
Yois ang bola.
Tatum to get to the
Denied.
First field goal for Jason Tatum.
Tinira, pasok yan.
going to. With a little
Tatum to,
slippery
Tatum.
Well, you said spread. Again, you maybe are familiar with it. No defensive 3-second. So you can jam two defenders strings. Have the growth
Wala pang nagagawa si Stephen Curry ah.
game. Two-time All-American at the Division II level before going to Colorado.
Tatum.
Defense for Tatum. Good hands. Shea, though, has been hot.
with the finish.
The former Baylor Bear.
Tinira ng South Sudan. Sablay, buti nila sablay. Dinakdakan naman.
Crash beautifully.
Follow up dunk eh. Sablay, dinunk
He
din,
was
no?
impressive during the
Pasok.
qualifiers last February that got South Sudan to the World Cup. And then they
May nakuhang katapat ng mga Amerikano na to.
Omat Nooney, as he's known.
South Sudan lang palang katapat nila.
6 points now, 57%.
Unang free throw ni Anthony Davis.
Davis who came over for the recovery on defense.
Pangalawang free throw, pasok yan.
Both players with nice work there.
Absolutely. Even defensively here, the containment in the lane and then the step through. Big time.
Tapal.
That's what you saw so much of against Serbia. That secondary help from Anthony Davis. In a high number of games. Inside of the inbound. Oh, excellent out-of-bounds play.
Overload right. Nice dive.
Hindi natapal ni Davis.
Charlie Jones continues to distribute 7 assists.
Pasok.
MVP.
Score po natin.
Wide open Edwards. Oman missed it that time. And finally, the U.S. hits a
Tinirahan ni Antman
second on 14 tries.
And the first time little faulty closeout by Oman.
sa mga Amerikano ng bola.
Double.
Tinira ni... Sino ba to? Antman na naman. Edwards. Malupit talaga si Edwards.
Against the South Zone with the bench unit to start the second half.
Davis, behind the back. Tinira, pasok yan.
No question about it. Jones caught down low. Playing with a little juice right now. This is just beautiful
Pinas-
footwork, poise,
foul.
the ability to
All ang South
things
Sudan.
to the floor.
Pinaul nila si Adebayo.
U.S. is
He showed signs offensively on a consistent basis during this tournament as well.
Inikutan ni Davis ah.
third Derek White to the mix.
Pasok yan, foul pa.
I think their coverage has improved as well. They're much more of a challenge on
Adebayo, unang attempt. Pasok yan.
Well, that's the other thing with this lineup. A little bit more defensive versus
3 points pa lang si Adebayo. Pangalawang attempt, pasok.
It's down to 3.
and you can just see Davis
South Sudan nila ang bola.
too much
Lamang pa din ang South Sudan. 60 to 58.
It's the smaller Shayok.
Kailan kaya lalamang ang US dito?
For Tatum, for Davis.
Pull up, South Sudan. Pasok yan, 3 points ah.
activity. The ability defensively.
Sinasa, sablay.
Step, maybe at the NBA level.
Dinakdak,
based on
lalong
space
sablay.
Davis doesn't have. With that same gait, he probably ends up with the closeout. But the spacing here. I think that made John Shire smile a little bit when he did that comment of the Mawaj knocking down a triple.
Free throw. Davis, unang attempt.
Switch. And with this lineup with Davis.
A little stack.
Diretso, pasok pa.
This fires up.
Pangalawang attempt.
Mawaj saving with 2.
Mukhang bibigay na si Steve Kerr ah. Pasok yan. Kunti na lang. 5 points na lang hinahabol ng US. Tinira ng... Naku, buti sablay. Nasa mga Amerikano ngayon ang bola. Oh, nagmuntik ng madapa. Naagawan.
Ariel Shayok.
Tinirahan na naman ng South Sudan. Pasok na naman. Balik sa 8 ang lamang.
Points and it ain't Kevin Durant yet. Holiday on Jones. Looking in for the juice.
Hirap na hirap makalamang ang US dito.
Against James. Shayok looking for
How about him spotting up? And the recognition.
level has knocked down 5 of 8 and has 20 points today.
Look how they're jamming it up. Let them force it to deep shot.
Malupit talaga ang mga kamay nitong mga South Sudan.
It's the third United States 3-on-16.
Puro 3 points yung tira nila eh.
By Embiid, who stumbles to get it to Booker. Devin Booker trying to get it going.
Bawian mo yung Lolo Bron. Kala nila sila lang ah, tira. Pasok yan, Lolo Bron, 3 points. Naagawan sila ngayon. Si Booker,
Lead back down to 6.
inaagawan. Lolo Bron,
6.
ang gandang assist ni Lolo Bron ah. Ikaw na.
Got to take it away. Really attack gets the big guy backpedaling. But right here, look at this dive to the rim. Shooting confidence.
Lamang pa din ang South Sudan.
Excellent work off the bench.
5.
James, they gave him a lot of space to get to the paint. Hitting the deep
Third quarter na po tayo.
came over with the block.
And this is where they hurt you
Ang oras, 3 minutes and 23 seconds. Remaining time.
Bonus action for both teams. So 2 shots for JT Thorpe.
Kapal ang
How impressive they've been, but here's a
Kapal
little
si
drop
Lolo
step.
Bur na.
Everybody converse a little power at the rim.
kinakatawan, no?
Not backing off at all.
Foul,
You can see
foul.
that you got to check that one out.
Nagre-reklamo pa yung Amerikano.
Took the hit.
US got to within 5 points.
Kapal ka talaga.
To an 11
Walang magreklamo.
It's James with Majuk Deng guarding. Curry moving away from the ball to get the 3.
Circle the floor. Step nice bumps on the baseline. LeBron with the patience to.
Here is Booker.
Score po natin 76-65 in favor of South Sudan. Tinirahan ng US. Tumira ng 3 points. Tinirahan ni Stephen Curry. Nakashoot din.
Well, they've done a pretty good job collectively, defensively. Thor keeps him in front. They're just aggressive. Both ends of the.
James with the jump and the foul. A flash from LeBron James to try to
Lay up, bro. Si Stephen Curry ba to?
Get back in. It's got to be on the D. A terrific play right
Tapal
there.
siya eh.
Look at this strength. The quickness.
Lolo Buron.
steal to
Nagyabang na naman, no?
That flex reminded me of the years.
Sabi niya, hindi pa to Lolo.
I was very excited about that Sanders.
Malupit pa to.
90 seconds for the third.
Lolo Buron, parang 25 years old lang ah. Hindi pa rin nila kayang pigilan si Lolo Buron. Na kay Lolo Buron na naman ang bola. Ipinasa. Binalik kay Lolo Buron. Lolo Buron. Ipinasa uli. Tinira ng kakampi niya. Pasok. Pasok yan.
United States run and the 16-15 at the 3:46 mark of the opening quarter.
Sablay. Lolo Buron, binababa ang bola. Pinasa. Booker, tinira. Pull up. Pasok yan.
That ignites the crowd in London.
Agawan. Tinira ni Stephen Curry. Walang pakundangan. Pasok yan. Loko talaga to si Stephen Curry ah.
Buzzer and the United States after a 44-point first half puts up 30
Mga favorite niya. Yung mga sobrang lalayo eh.
gained the advantage. And the switch on multiple players. Now he goes right down against the smaller Jones.
Good read. Haven't seen much of that low post up. LeBron's been a big factor in his flow too.
And he finds Holiday for a
Time out na po. Fourth quarter na po tayo.
Jones, who has 9 rebounds, 9 assists, 9 points.
Lumamang na rin ng US ng
First faulty recovery.
pito ng laman ng US. Tabla yan.
South Sudan in the first half. Carlik Jones should be a name all of you remember. Embiid knocks it down.
Nice two.
Tinirahan na naman ng 3 points ng South Sudan. Pasok na naman.
Against Holiday using that screen from Gabriel.
Lolo Buron. Ipinasa bigla. Binalik. Ipinasa kay
Gabriel.
A nice job there. Because the D was in.
And if he scores a point, that is going to be a historic triple-double for Carlik Jones in South Sudan.
He can get a spot in the league the way he's playing.
It is Gabriel for 3. And the league is open in London.
pasok na naman.
For futures.
4 na lang po ang lamang ng US. Nakalamang din ang US.
Most experienced NBA player for South Sudan. And his
Oh.
former teammate with the Lakers, LeBron James.
Tinirahan na naman ng South Sudan.
He has been magnificent.
Pasok yan. Pero nakti siguro ng mga South Sudan ng malalayang tira. Lolo Buron. Insulation. Tiniram, pull up. Pasok yan. Lolo Buron best player dito.
21 is best offensive game. Another point will give him the rarest
Lolo Buron uli. Binababa ang bola.
for South Sudan.
Nagdi-dribble. Mukhang susuloy ng laro. Hindi nga sinulo nga. Pasok. Lamang na po ng 6 ang US.
Nice set play too. The handoff and
6 minutes and 26 seconds sa fourth quarter po tayo ngayon. Bola ng South Sudan.
You should be his agent.
Niliapan. Pasok yan.
If I am his agent, I'm showing everybody this tape.
Rightfully so, though. He has been
South Sudan held the lead for 23 minutes of this game. They were a 43.5-point underdog.
Free throw. Free throw po ang mga Amerikano. Sablayan. Pangalawang tira. Sablay uli. Pasok.
Right here.
Naghahabol ngayon ang South Sudan. Naghahabol ng 3. Nako. Isa na lang ang lamang.
For Derek White, coming late in the second
5
half.
minutes and 24 seconds.
Anthony Davis in a trap.
Derek White, pinasa kay Davis. Alley-oop. Pasok yan.
in the early offense.
Follow-up dunk. Davis.
The dexterity.
It's the second bucket for Tatum. He's got
Sablay. Buti na lang. Sablay. 3 na lang ang lamang ng US.
4:15 remaining.
Pinababa ni Booker yung bola. Tumira na nga. Magic shot. Si Tatum yun May magic shot sila ni Tatum
Touching it for a chance at three.
That was pretty. Bam has been solid. Handling baseball, making good decisions. We know we can do defensively, but there's that extra look. Boy, White, terrific, solid
Davis.
as well. A lot of stars.
They recovered
Lamang na po ng 7.